How to calculate the effect size for one sample t-test. Effect size for one sample t-test quantifies the magnitude of the difference between sample mean and the test value or the population mean in terms of standard deviation units. One commonly used effect size measure for a one sample t-test is coherence D. So coherence D is calculated by taking the difference between sample mean and the test value or the population mean and dividing it by the standard deviation of the sample. The formula is that D is equal to M minus mu by S, where M is a sample mean, mu is a population mean, S is the standard deviation of the sample. So what we will do, we will take one SPSS example and I am going to do the analysis with the value we are going to test the effect size. This is the data of 107 students marks. Okay, now we want to test, is there any significant difference between the sample mean to the test value? We are expecting that on an average students will have 50 marks. So 50 is taken as a testing variable. So we will do the analysis, which is one sample t-test. For that purpose, analyze, compare mean. In compare mean, one sample t-test. We'll take marks as a testing variable and the testing value is 50. Click OK. Now in the output we got one sample statistics where mean is 62.54. Standard deviation is 7.053 and the test value is 50. You can see the significant value is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. So we can conclude that there is a difference between sample mean and the test value. So let us see what is the effect size. Now these are the values which we got in the analysis, where the mean is 62.54 and the standard deviation is 7.053 and the test value is 50. Now D is equal to M minus mu by S. M is 62.54 minus 50 divided by 7.053. So D is equal to 1.777. Now if you see coherence D table, okay, if the coherence value is between 0.2 to 0.5, effect size is small. If it is between 0.51 to 0.8, it is medium, and above 0.8 is large. So how much value we got? 1.777. So we can conclude that the effect size is large. A large coherence D value suggests a greater difference between the sample mean and the test value. So we have concluded here that there is a significant difference between sample mean and test value and the effect is large.